This is Anushka Man and I welcome you all to French One Stop. So today we are going to have a really interesting class and a very easy one as well. Today we are going to learn the colors. Les couleurs. Les couleurs. The colors in French language. So in English language we have the colors yellow, orange, blue, black. There is no masculine, there is no feminine. But as I told you in the second or third video in French, French is a language based on gender. Gender of subject, gender of object. And all the rules, all the grammatical rules, spelling rules, etc. are based on the gender of the object. So therefore, the colors also have a masculine name and a feminine name. And let's get started. Rouge, rouge, which is red. Now as you can see, rouge is same in both masculine and feminine. My lipstick is rouge, red. Rose, rose. So as you can see, rose is pink color and it is again the same in masculine and feminine. Rose, rose. Jaune, jaune. It is again the same in masculine and feminine. Jaune is yellow color. So my favorite color is yellow, jaune. Orange, orange, which is orange. So you would have noticed till now that these four colors that we learned, rouge, rose, jaune and orange, all four of these had an E at the end. So there is no difference in their spellings as masculine or feminine. So they are the same. So this is one of the rules that you can remember when it comes to colors. The next color is bleu. Bleu, which is blue color. B-L-E-U, bleu, is masculine and B-L-E-U-E is feminine. So we added an E to bleu to make it feminine. Brun, 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 brun. It is brown color. Then again we added an E to brun to make it feminine. So this is one of the rules that we follow usually, not always. To make words feminine, we add an E at the end in French language. Now mind you that there are exceptions. Again, French is full of exceptions, but in most cases we follow this rule. Whether it's an adjective, whether it's colors, whatever, what we do is we add an E at the end of the words to make them feminine. Brun, brun, which is brown color. Gris, 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 gris. My t-shirt is grey color. It is gris or gris. As you can see, again we have added an E to make gris to gris, which is feminine, grey color. Noir, 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 which is black. Blanc, blanche, blanc, blanche. It is white color. Now this is one of the exceptions. Now sometimes when the words end with C, so to make them feminine, what we do is we add HE at the end. For as you can see over here, blanc and then blanche. Blanc, blanche, which is white color. My background is blanche, white color. Marron, marron, which is maroon color, which is a deep red color. Now this color remains the same in both feminine and masculine word. So for example, we can say le livre est bleu. Le livre est bleu. The book is blue. Now livre is a masculine word. So we used the masculine word for the color blue. B-L-E-U. Le livre est bleu. Another example. La page est blanche. La page est blanche. The page is white. The page is white. So page is a feminine word, so we used blanche. Let's take one last example. La bouteille est rose. La bouteille est rose. The bottle is pink. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you had a lot of fun learning the colors in French language. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to comment them below. See you in the next video. Au revoir.